My name is Anjana and I'm a 10th grader at Stanford Online High School. I'm the CEO and co-founder of RecipEZ, which basically is a website that gives users customizable and affordable recipes along with customizable and affordable grocery shopping, with the users being allowed to pick their portion options and their portion sizes while shopping, which allows for, customizable, affordable, and waste-free shopping. I came up with the idea just randomly. So I'm a foodie and I was like, oh, I really like to cook food, but I'm not that good at cooking, and I usually use recipes to help me, but I know that when I try to do these really exotic or really different recipes, I end up with a lot of food waste because I go out shopping specifically for the ingredients for that specific recipe, and I generally don't use them after, and I find that costs a lot of waste and it's just not sustainable and efficient. I really want to do this, but I don't know how to do it. And VentureLab basically said, okay, here's the things that you need to do to help bring your business forward, and these are the mindsets that you need to go into it, and help me put in my own creativity and my uniqueness. Since I'm pretty new to the entrepreneurial space, it took a lot for me to learn and adapt, but I think that's, life lessons that I use in school, in talking to people. Oh, also another thing would be making good relationships, being able to communicate, I think is really important in the entrepreneurial field and in general. Though I did have these aspects before I came to VentureLab, they really made it a priority to instill it into me and through my entrepreneurial work, and I think I definitely use those skills in my everyday life even more after VentureLab. It just gave me a lot of confidence in that, yes, you can do it. Here are the people who have done it before. Here's a team who's able to help you do it. And here are the results that you can achieve if you make sure that you have these mindsets instilled in you, if you know how to work through them. And I think, like I said before, I don't think I have ever gotten something like VentureLab gave me in terms of giving me that reassurance and the ability and the structure and the resources to, fully go forward with what I was doing.